I'm Andrew Phillips and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reattach your siding if it's coming off the track. As you can see here with this one here, it's not coming up here, but just on this bottom piece. And if you know anything about siding, that's hard to put back on because normally you clip it here and work your way up. So I'm going to show you how to attach this. Very easy. Let's go ahead and get started. To complete this video, the only thing that you're going to need is this little paint can opener that you can get for free at Home Depot or Lowe's, because that has the little hook that you need in order to be able to grab the siding and pull it over that track. So very simple fix. Let's go ahead and I'll show you exactly how to get it done. So what I'm going to do, take that little hook and I'm going to catch it right here on the lip of the siding. And all you're going to do is just pull it back a little bit. You don't want to break it because this is vinyl siding. Just enough to work it over that lip so we can clip it on. I'll get a close-up so you can see exactly what I'm doing. See here the hook you've got right here, and so you're going to pull it just like that. Just pull it just enough there to cover over that clip, and then when you push it in, it'll lock right on it. Nice and solid here. You can see that. That was all loose. Keep working our way down. Moving on to this side here, you can see it's like how loose that is compared to this one here where it's nice and secure. Now you want to keep in mind when you're doing this that it's only the lower end that's loose. If you've got siding coming up all the way up, then that's another story. You don't want to mess with that. You may have to replace your siding. But sometimes these lower ones will come off due to, if you get a storm, a lot of wind can pull that off. So this is just an easy way to reattach that. Well, there you have it. Why pay a siding company to redo your siding if you can just get one of these free little paint can openers and take care of the job yourself? That pretty much wraps up this video on how to reattach siding that's coming off from your house. I hope this video was informative. I hope it helped you out. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.